Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we are going to see how you can fix your Apple Map not working on your iPhone. Well, there could be few reasons that your Apple Map is not working. The first reason might be because of your internet speed. So make sure that your internet is stable and it is good to run Apple Map on your phone. So after making sure that your internet is good and it is not the problem, the first thing that you can do is go to your settings. So after opening your settings, scroll all the way down, and in here you can see the option of privacy and security. Tap on it, and this will take you to the settings of privacy and security, and in here you can tap on location and services. So here you can see there is the option of location and services, and it is currently turned on in my phone. If it is not turned on in your phone, simply just tap on this toggle button in order to turn location and services. So after making sure that location services is turned on, scroll down, and in here you can see the option of maps in here. Tap on it. So in here you can see while using the app has the tick mark that you can see in right here, and while using the app is now chosen right now in my phone. If it is on the never, your map might have problems. So if it's on never, tap on while using the app. So you can even tap on while using the app or widget. So you can do that if you want, and make sure that your precise location is also turned on. So after making sure these are all done, and if it still does not work, the another thing that you can do is offload and then reinstall your map. So what you're going to do is go to the main settings, and after going to your main settings, now tap on the general option. And in here you can see the option of iPhone storage. Tap on it. So after tapping on iPhone storage, now you have to scroll all the way down and find Apple Map in here. So you can tap on show all and then search for Apple Map in here. Here you can see the option of maps in here. Tap on it. So in here you can see the option of offload app. Tap on it and then tap on offload app one more time. So after doing so, your map app will basically be all renewed. So tap on reinstall app, and this can take some times. And now here you can see your app has been reinstalled on your phone, and then you can open your Apple Map on your phone and try to open it. And here you should be all good to go. Here you can use your map however you want. And I hope this helps. If it does, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.